TikTok is full of beauty hacks, so I gathered some of the most hype to test out for myself. The first hack I'm going to test out is foundation frothing. You basically mix together your foundation with a small amount of water. The ratios aren't super clear, and the result is a whipped, lightweight foundation that supposedly has better coverage. The person who I saw doing this hack used one of those foundations without a pump, so I really don't have a clue how much foundation I'm supposed to be putting in, so I'm just going to eyeball it and see if it looks right. I did what I thought was a small amount of water, but I guess it wasn't small enough. Let's keep going. It's definitely working a little bit. This is a long process already. I feel like I'm not gonna be able to make any more, so maybe I should just take this and go with it. There's some of the foundation. Whoa. It feels a lot thicker than the foundation does regularly, which is interesting. Next time I would definitely go in with a little less water, but let's apply this to my face and see how it looks. I definitely see slightly more coverage and the finish looks really skin-like, but I don't see myself doing this hack every single time I put on foundation. The whole thing took me about 15 minutes, so it's just kind of long and definitely messy. Another benefit I saw for foundation frothing was that it lets you stretch your foundation. You can make it last a little longer so you won't have to repurchase as often, but I honestly feel like I wasted more foundation than I actually used. Also, I would need another container if I wanted to save the excess product. Hello, it has been 6 hours since I applied my frothed foundation, and it's actually looking pretty good. It doesn't look too different than just my normal foundation at this point, so I think that's a good sign. I think I look slightly more oily than I normally would at the 6 hour mark, and I'm noticing some of the product gathering in my nose crevices, all things that I would see happening with my regular foundation, just maybe a little later, maybe around the 8 hour mark. For the most part, I think this looks pretty good. The next hack is using eyeliner and setting spray to create faux freckles. You do a few dots with a brown eyeliner on your fingertip, spray those with some setting spray, and then gently tap on freckles wherever you like. Oh no. It's not working. That didn't work. Take two. Let's try this one more time. I feel like I might have to be moving faster because I think my eyeliner just dried down way too quickly. This hack was actually a little bit harder than I thought it was gonna be. It just took so long for me to get my eyeliner to actually transfer onto my face. It dried down so quickly, but I think I was actually able to get some cute freckles out of it. As long as you're not using an eyeliner that dries down quickly like I did, I think you'll have a much easier time. This next hack is using setting powder on the nose bridge of your glasses to prevent them from ruining your makeup. I know it sounds a little ridiculous, but anytime I'm wearing sunglasses or my regular glasses, I never wear makeup. I just hate those little marks that they leave behind so much, so I hope this hack actually works. Okay, I just took my contacts out, so everything is very blurry to me right now, but I have my glasses and I have my setting powder. This is a really great setting powder and it lasts pretty much all day. I also set my entire face with the same setting powder. So far so good. That was really easy to do and I can't tell that there's any powder on my nose bridge whatsoever. So I guess now I'm just gonna wear my glasses for a few hours to see if this hack actually works, and I'll let you guys know if any marks were left behind. It's been about 6 hours. I did take my glasses off because I was just curious to see what was going on under there. And it doesn't look great, but it doesn't look terrible. For the most part, if I've ever worn glasses and makeup at the same time, the foundation gets completely removed in the nose bridge area. With this powder hack, it kind of just gathered and separated a bit. It looks a little chunky, a little dry, a little weird, but there's foundation still there, so that's something.